Hello everyone. Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting cycling gadgets of the year, the best color screen bicycle speedometer. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, this device promises to elevate your riding experience. Stay with us as we break down its features, pros, cons, and who it's best for. Let's get started. Product features. 2.4 full laminated color screen. The Magine C506 SA boasts a vibrant 2.4 color screen that's fully laminated for better visibility in all lighting conditions. Whether you're riding under the bright sun or in low-light environments, the display remains crisp and clear. Lightweight and stylish design. Weighing just 74 grams, this speedometer is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. Its sleek, modern design ensures it looks great on any bike, and its one-handed operation makes it super convenient during rides. 3 auxiliary buttons for easy operation. The device features 3 well-placed buttons that make navigation and operation a breeze, even while cycling. No more fumbling around, everything is within easy reach. Colorful route navigation with off-course alerts. One of the standout features is its route navigation capability. The C506 SA provides turning tips and even alerts you if you go off course, automatically replanning your route. You can create custom routes using the Onelafit app or upload third-party GPX files. Plus, it displays road names and zooms in on the map for better guidance. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi dual protocols. With both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the C506 SA ensures smooth data transmission and faster uploads. Wi-Fi data transfer is 28 times faster than Bluetooth, so your navigation files and riding records are uploaded in no time. Automatic AGNSS synchronization. Say goodbye to long waiting times for GPS positioning. The C506 SA syncs automatically with a GNSS, so you can start your ride almost instantly. Automatic data upload. Once connected to Wi-Fi, your cycling data is uploaded automatically, eliminating the need for manual transfers or relying on your phone. Pros. Crystal clear display. The 2.4 color screen is bright, vibrant, and easy to read in all conditions. Lightweight and user-friendly. At just 74 grams, it's lightweight and easy to operate with one hand. Advanced navigation. The route navigation feature, including off-course alerts and road name details, is a game-changer for cyclists. Fast data upload. Wi-Fi connectivity ensures your data is uploaded quickly and efficiently. Customizable routes. Create your own routes or upload GPX files for a personalized riding experience. Automatic syncing. A GNSS synchronization means no more waiting for GPS signals. Cons. Learning curve. The advanced features might take some time to master, especially for beginners. App dependency. While the Onelafit app is useful, some users may find it cumbersome to rely on an app for route creation and data management. Who is it for? The Magine C506 SA is perfect for serious cyclists. If you're into long-distance rides, mountain biking, or road cycling, this speedometer's advanced navigation and data tracking features will be invaluable. Tech-savvy riders. If you love gadgets and want a feature-packed device to enhance your cycling experience, this is for you. Commuters, or those who rely on navigation during their daily rides, the off-course alerts and route planning make it a great companion. Fitness enthusiasts. If you're tracking your performance and want detailed data, the automatic upload and Wi-Fi connectivity will save you time and effort. If you're looking to upgrade your cycling experience, the C506 SE is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the price link in the description below and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy cycling